Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today I'm gonna share with you a nice recipe for vanilla pastry cream. It's a great filling for donuts, eclairs, pies, cakes, you name it, and it's such a great recipe to master, and this is how I make it. So let's get started. You're gonna start by heating up 2 cups of whole milk. You're gonna flavor with half of a vanilla bean pod. Split it open, scrape the inside, add it to the milk, or you can use vanilla bean paste. In this case, I'm using vanilla bean paste, half a tablespoon. You're gonna whisk very well and let the milk comes to almost a boil. And when it's hot enough, you're gonna turn the heat off and set it aside. In a separate clean bowl, I'm gonna add 6 egg yolks. To that, I'm gonna add 2/3 cup of sugar, granulated sugar. Whisk together using the electric mixer until it becomes pale yellow. It's gonna take a couple of minutes. Follow this simple method and measurements and you're sure to get a very successful pastry cream. And as always, I leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes. And follow me on social media, the links are gonna be in the description box below. The color has changed to pale yellow. Now I'm ready to add 1/4 cups of cornstarch. Mix it. Make sure the mixer is on low. I messed up and it wasn't on low. I mix until everything is well combined. Get the milk and it's still very warm. I'm gonna add a little bit, temper it, and then add the rest to the bowl, just like so. Add the milk gradually until the whole amount is mixed in, and then I'm gonna return the mixture to the pot. Return to the stove and cook until it boils and thickens quite a bit. Medium to low heat and keep on stirring, don't leave the stove. I can see the first bubbles, it's ready. I'm gonna turn off the heat. And at this point, you can add 1 tablespoon of cold butter after you take it off the heat, or you can leave the step out. I'm gonna leave it out. Of course, you're gonna let it cool completely before using, and make sure to cover it with a plastic wrap. Let the plastic wrap touch the custard itself. I'm using the pastry cream to fill this buttermilk white cake. I'm gonna share the recipe with you very soon. I hope this was an easy pastry cream demonstration and I hope you give it a try soon. Stay tuned for the buttermilk white cake recipe, and until next time, bon appétit!